How to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So, when I go over here to my DMs, you can actually see that I don't have any notes at the top. But if I were to switch to one of my other accounts, you can actually see that I have a note here at the top. I don't follow anybody though, so I only see my own note. But how can we actually get this to show on our other account as well? Well, first of all, you want to make sure that you have your Instagram completely updated. So I'll just search for Instagram real quick. And I actually do have it completely updated because there says open instead of update. And that might fix it for you if you update your account. Now, then the second way to actually fix this is if you first of all take a screenshot of this. So your DMs where the notes should normally show up. Then if you go to your profile, then to the top right, click on settings and privacy, then scroll a bit down till you see help right over here. And then here it says report a problem. So it says report a problem. Then it says, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? You can include that if you would like to or not. And here you can upload a photo. So that's what I'll do. That's a screenshot that I just took. And then here we can briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. And you can tell them something like, hello Instagram, my account still doesn't have the notes feature, even though my other account already has it. I've updated my app to the latest version. So then, like I said, add that screenshot of your DMs, and then you can simply click on send, and hopefully they will help you out and actually fix this for you. Now, the reason why some accounts might have this and some don't, because even as you saw on my own phone, on the same app, this account doesn't have it, and my other account does. I don't know actually why, but Instagram always has this where some accounts will get updates sooner than others. Sometimes they even have an update very soon, and then later on they somehow lose that update. It's always very weird with Instagram, and you usually just have to wait, sometimes a very long time. But yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.